Okay, so now we're going to go into a Fleetwood Surge 25G, which means it's 25 footer. And you know, Fleetwood went out of business in 2010 when the industry collapsed, but they came back, didn't they?
They came back with a Surge.
With a Surge. This is a Ford. I think it's probably a 450 again. Typical overhead, nice entertainment center, TV. Good quality. They're kind of, over the years, they've kind of upgraded some of their accoutrements there. Nice double sink.
Nice little
It has a little oven in it there, and does it have a microwave? Yes. Price-wise, normally $102, about half off, $40,000 off.
Wow.
$63,000 for you. Good. Double sink.
This one is interesting to me because we have a Fleetwood, so I've gotten comfortable in our Fleetwood. I like a lot of the things that this one offers. I would have to say that my favorite of those things is a bed.
She likes to have a bed that
ready
is
made.
Yes, ready to go. It obviously takes them some space. I like the fact that they have a window there on it. I don't know if either of these, yeah, that window opens up over on the side, but look at that. You can see the great outdoors, or if you're a voyeur, then hey, good for you. But tell me about the bathroom here on the other side.
Well, first though, you do have, it does take up a lot of space, but underneath the bed you do have storage options.
True.
Okay, so the bathroom isn't going to be as big as ours. We're giving that up to have a permanent bed.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, we don't spend a lot of time in the bathroom.
It's definitely adequate. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this is the outside
sink,
which is fine.
I like that they use glass there and mirrors to make it look bigger.
Oh, that's awesome right here.
Pretty good size.
Look, yeah.
Well, the quality is not quite as good as some models there. It's adequate, but you got to take good care of it.
And it's got the cabinet space. It doesn't have the drawer, but it does. It goes back quite a ways.
Mm-hmm.
I really.
For the budget-minded person, it's a pretty good unit for 25 feet.
Yeah,
sleeping
I like
probably about 5 people.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the options that it gives us.
And they always do a great job with the color appointments.
So
Looks very sporty. Here again, E450.
Outside entertainment, and it does have a wonderful awning. Okay, so while Michael went over that way, I've gone that way, and I found some really cool things to show you, and I got my finger right on the pulse. Come on. So I am not sure who makes this. I love the colors. Fleetwood, no wonder I like it. It's also got the diesel engine. The normal price is $147,000, and honey, it's only $80,998 today, so that's $88,000, which is my lucky number.
88's Infinity, Mercedes.
Okay, so
good looking rig.
You gotta come in, because I really like almost everything this has to offer.
This is the F21. Here we go.
Look at the clean palette of color.
Mm-hmm.
Nice backsplash. It's got that quality that Fleetwood has that I know. Okay, I was looking and I thought that a deal breaker was going to be I'd lose my cabinet for storing dry goods. No, it's over here. Okay, now I will say, I'm sure that this could be corrected. But there's no pull-out for these storage. I think these lift, and then there's storage, which is kind of a hassle.
Is it? Not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, it's available. Yeah.
And then little storage cubbies. This, of course, if we don't have guests, we could always put like a net and keep storage type things
I don't
up
think
here.
I've met a net before.
No, I wasn't actually telling them you could put a net up there.
Oh, not a net funicello we're talking about, no.
It's just like we're married.
Exactly.
The first beach party came out in 1963.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so then we've got a nice microwave. We do have a real fan. We've got beautiful drawers, more drawer space than we currently have. Nice little garbage spot. Refrigerator about the same size as our current one. Maybe a little smaller.
Pretty close.
Okay, now wait till you see this bathroom. Go on in here.
On a clear day, you can see almost forever. Look at this. Okay, got our little shower there. Overhead light, fan, mirror. Don't see the medicine cabinet.
Ooh. Oh, yes, it's right.
Oh,
there's a
wait,
little
is it what we call a
pantry.
medicine cabinet? I'm not sure if I call it a medicine cabinet, but I guess it would do.
It would hold toilet paper.
Right.
That's true, but that's an easy
Pretty
fix.
good. Yeah.
Now you do have to push out for the bed. You know, now this is a little pull out. It looks like the whole thing is a slide out.
Mm-hmm.
So if it wasn't slid out, it looks like you could still crawl back there and take a nap.
Yeah.
You know, or you could put this down and take a nap. So there's a lot of options that you could stealth in a parking lot at Walmart or whatever.
Show me about this hinge. I'm real curious what this hinge does. This piano hinge. Where does it go?
Dun dun dun!
Ha!
There's more storage
Interesting.
from the outside that you access.
Okay. And
Go careful on that.
yeah, it goes back in there. But this is not that strong. Oh, does it slide? Oops. Well, it does. But I'm going to put that back again. Yeah, that wasn't quite what I was bargaining for.
Oh, honey, I think maybe this side of the set. Let's see.
I'm not sure.
If this was, because this would actually, I'm sure, go out more so that it fits.
Mm-hmm.
No, it doesn't.
No,
okay,
that's it.
I'm not sure,
Okay.
but there is access on the outside. Yeah, it's got a little privacy curtain. So if you do have company, you have your own little space. You have more cabins over here. Little closet. I think the storage is fantastic in here. I don't think we lose any.
Seems like it's about the same. It's probably a 25-footer once again, so...
Yeah, it's got size, it's got space, it's got storage, it's got a diesel, so you got good gas mileage. So we can go home now, because I found my favorite.
You found the ticket, huh?
Found that
Okay,
ticket.
make your offer. You could
Okay.
close on this today.
Sold.
Beautiful. You're going to love it.
We'll peek at it.
You can't
We'll make
beat
sure-
Fleetwood.
I love the color, too.
It's, yeah, great. They always do a good job on the colors. And there's our slider. And, yeah, it's roughly the same size we have. Storage space down underneath.
Oh, yeah, we got to check the other side where the bed is. I think there's a lot under there. Beautiful awning. Oh, well, no, it doesn't look like there is.
And it has 2.5 bays. Doesn't have the 3 bays. I think you're going to have your generator and your propane tank and those things. There's the generator.
Oh, okay, that's probably what was under the
Okay,
bed.
what's over here? What's in door number 3? Okay, small. Aha, so it has a pure sine inverter here. So it looks like if you're going to want to go solar, you've got the inverter ready to go. I don't know if they have solar on top or not. We just don't know. There's so much we just don't know in life.
I am a little disappointed that there isn't storage under the bed. There's a generator under the bed, so if you're up working and I want to go to sleep,
Well, that's so that you get a massage. You know, when you need to be rocked to bed at night, we turn on the generator and...
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air.